Welcome to another video with Nikki's Tea. So today we're going to be talking about savings. Savings is very important to save. And actually I'm not done with this pack, but my sister graduates in about a month and a half. I'm just gonna take everything out and see where I'm at, so I can see how much I have left over to do. I always promise my little sister, even when our mother was alive, that I would make sure she had 5K in her savings by the time she graduates. So whether that's working hard or whatever it is, 5K in her savings. So this is the second time actually I am opening this up before time, but I'd be surprised as to what's in there. So I'm enjoying it. It's basically 1 to 100, and if you fill all of these up, you can add up to 5K. Okay, so truth be told, I don't actually need 5K. I need 4K, like 3,900, because my sister already have a K in her bank account. 1,100. Let's get these opened up. It was so hard to find dollars, and like my bank ATM don't give me dollars, so when I had, I had. When I didn't have, I didn't have. So I'm saving my envelopes because I plan to continue this. Here's another reason. I just feel like regular savings. So you may be thinking like, oh, where do you get this extra money from? Or where this money comes from? So this money comes from any extra activities that I do. If I sew somebody hair, I put it in there. If I did alteration for somebody, I put it in there. If I sold something, it's rare that I sold something because I'm still working on my website and everything like that. But if I sold something, I would put it in there if it wasn't purchased from the actual website. Okay. So that, and then work money. When I get paid, I have a coworker. She literally takes out $200 out of every check. I'm like, how do you do that? I personally can't do that, but you know, if it's $100, $50 here and there, I take it off. And then sometimes I just make it seem like it's a bill I gotta pay, and I take it off, and it goes in here. Okay, sometimes you just gotta fake to make it like tell your brain you have to pay a bill, and it goes in here. Depending on how much you put every time, I don't really have like a specific time, specific amount, but depending on how much you put, then that's how fast you finish. Yeah, so if you want to give me money, it goes in here. If you tell me to purchase something for you and you give me cash, it goes in here. So yeah, you give me gas money, it goes in here. Not a lot of people give me gas money, but birthday money, it went in there. So yep guys, I think I want to guess how much I have, but also surprise me. Like, let's just look at this. Your envelopes doesn't have to be perfect, okay? I don't even know what I wrote before, but it's okay. As long as it's functional. And I was actually thinking of closing it off after I put the correct amount in there, and I didn't, which was a really good option because now I can use it again. So if you are using it for one time and you wanna like not open it, you can't just tape it off. So you're like, okay, this is the right amount, I'm not touching it. If you have a problem and you can't stop touching, you do that, okay? Because the envelope is what, $1.25, 50 cents. Just do that for your own sake, okay? It's gonna help you do it. So yeah, 49, I just took them for 20, so we went a little short. We went a little short, but let's just some space. So I didn't hope for anything, and I don't know how much I'm gonna get, but we left at 51, 52, 51, and I'm at 91 and nothing yet. Oh, $93 has $100 in it. Okay, that looks good. So 93, 94. I hope it's not lost, y'all. 95. We going in your car or my car? Yes. So I'm gonna count it and we're gonna find out how much it is. After counting the money, I had about $1,703. I had a few dollars, but I took them out. I put it back in my wallet. I already had $1,102. That added to $2,005. I need $5,000 for my sister. So it just gave me an idea to see where I was at, what I'm missing, and what I have at hand. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. There is a little bit more to the video, but don't forget to like, share this video. And I just want to thank you guys in advance for watching. And if you have any questions, you can list them down below. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will be updated once I post a video. Just a disclaimer, like, I have like actual savings account. This I just did it for my sister. Because we basically kind of had to start. So, just a disclaimer. We're not perfect. I most definitely am not perfect. And stop copying each other. Did you guys hear that? Just a disclaimer. We are not perfect. I am very far from perfect. And I did this within, I would say, like, from Jan. Excuse me. I'm trying to record something, please. I would say I probably started this like December. JJ, can you stop, please? I'm trying to do something. Okay, let her hit you with the phone. So, I think I probably started this like December, ending of November, if I'm not mistaken. And then I was able to save this much. I've been really busy with work and mentally not here. It's probably been like 6 months since I started this whole thing. Well, since I went for the second round of the saving. The first time I think it was probably like maybe around the same. So now that I have what it was, 1704, 03, something like that. Now that I have that amount, it's gonna add it with the 1,000. What is it? Let me find out.